I'm Hello, chosen one. If you're watching this, it means the universe has something special in store for you. You've been guided here because you're ready to step into your power and manifest the life you've always dreamed of. There's a secret, a powerful law of attraction hack that can amplify your potential and help you align with your true purpose. It's time to unlock this power within you. Let's explore and discover how to harness the energy of the universe to create the life you deserve. The first step in unlocking your manifestation power as a chosen one is understanding the power of your thoughts. Everything starts in your mind. Every feeling, every belief, every action is influenced by the way you think. If you want to manifest your desires, you must first clear any limiting beliefs that stand in your way. Negative thoughts, doubts, and fears can block the flow of abundance and prevent you from receiving what you truly deserve. Start by recognizing any negative or limiting thoughts that cross your mind. It could be thoughts like, I'm not good enough, or I don't deserve success. Once you're aware of them, gently challenge these thoughts. Replace them with affirmations like, I am worthy of abundance, or I am capable of achieving my dreams. Over time, as you shift your mindset, your reality will begin to reflect this new positive energy. Don't forget that the universe responds to your vibration, and your thoughts are the key to creating that vibration. By focusing on what you want rather than what you fear, you begin to attract the energy and opportunities that align with your desires. The second step in the law of attraction hack for chosen ones is visualization. Your mind is a powerful tool, and when you vividly imagine your goals and dreams as already accomplished, you align yourself with the energy of that reality. Find a quiet space where you can focus without distractions. Close your eyes and take a deep breath. Picture yourself living the life you desire. Whether it's financial freedom, a fulfilling career, or harmonious relationships, create a mental image that feels real and authentic to you. Feel the emotions associated with your success: joy, peace, pride, or excitement. The more detailed and emotional your visualization, the stronger the connection with your goals. Visualization doesn't just stay in your mind. It should influence your actions. When you see yourself living in abundance, you'll make choices that align with that vision. You'll start to act like the person who already has what they desire, which in turn attracts those desires into your life. Setting clear intentions is crucial when you're on the path to manifesting your dreams. A chosen one must have a clear vision of what they want and set focused intentions to bring that vision into reality. Intentions are different from goals. Goals are specific, measurable outcomes, while intentions are the energy and focus behind those goals. Start by getting clear on what you truly desire. Ask yourself, what do I really want to create in my life? It could be abundance, love, success, or health. Once you've identified what you want, express it in clear, concise language. For example, instead of saying, I want to be rich, say, I am attracting financial abundance and opportunities to create wealth in my life. Write your intentions down and keep them visible. This will serve as a reminder of your commitment to manifesting your desires and keep your energy aligned with your goals. Your intentions should inspire you and remind you of your power to shape your reality. A critical part of this process is trusting that the universe is working for you, not against you. As a chosen one, you must understand that everything unfolds in divine timing. You may not see immediate results, but that doesn't mean the universe isn't responding. Trusting the process allows you to release fear and doubt, which are two major obstacles in manifestation. When you trust, you let go of the need to control every outcome. You surrender to the flow of the universe, knowing that what is meant for you will come at the right time. Have faith that the universe is aligning people, events, and opportunities to help you fulfill your desires. Trust the journey and enjoy the process of becoming the person who can fully receive the abundance waiting for you. Gratitude is a powerful energy that not only attracts more of what you're thankful for, but also helps you stay grounded and in alignment with your desires. When you express gratitude, you signal to the universe that you are open to receiving more blessings. As a chosen one, this simple practice can elevate your frequency and bring you closer to your dreams. Make it a daily habit to write down at least 3 things you're grateful for. They can be small things like a beautiful sunrise, or larger things like a new opportunity. The more you practice gratitude, the more your focus shifts from what you lack to what you already have. This mindset shift creates a powerful magnet for more abundance. Start each day by acknowledging the things you're grateful for, and carry that feeling with you throughout the day. The universe will match your gratitude with more to be thankful for. Affirmations are another key to mastering the law of attraction. Repeating positive statements every day helps you reprogram your subconscious mind to believe that you deserve success, wealth, love, and health. When you repeat these affirmations, you're sending out a signal to the universe about your desires and your worthiness to receive them. Create affirmations that resonate with your goals. If you're focused on financial abundance, you might say, "I am attracting limitless wealth and financial freedom." If love is your focus, say, "I am deserving of a loving, supportive relationship." The key is to make your affirmations feel real and empowering. To truly manifest your desires, you must believe the affirmations you say. Speak them with conviction and confidence. As you continue, you'll notice that your beliefs and your reality begin to shift, aligning with the positive energy you're putting out into the universe. As a chosen one, you must be mindful of the energy you surround yourself with. Your environment, the people you interact with, and the media you consume all have an impact on your vibration. If you want to attract abundance and success, you need to be around people who uplift you and environments that make you feel empowered. Evaluate the people in your life. Are they supportive of your dreams? Are they positive and encouraging? If not, it might be time to create some distance. Seek out individuals who inspire you, motivate you, and believe in your potential. Positive energy is contagious, and when you surround yourself with high-frequency individuals, you raise your own vibration. Create a physical environment that supports your desires in addition to your social network. Keep your surroundings tidy and invigorating. Declutter and add things that excite you. Positive energy is drawn to positive spaces. Manifestation is not about sitting back and waiting for things to fall into your lap. It's about taking inspired action. The universe will send you signs, opportunities, and nudges in the right direction, but it's up to you to act on them. As a chosen one, you must stay alert and ready to take the next step when it's presented to you. Inspired action is different from forced action. You won't feel resistance or frustration when you're acting in alignment with your goals. Instead, you'll feel a sense of excitement and flow. Trust your intuition and let it guide you toward the next step in your manifestation journey. The universe provides the opportunities, but it's up to you to step into them with confidence. One of the most powerful hacks for manifesting as a chosen one is learning to let go of the outcome. When you're too attached to how things should unfold, you create resistance. Trust that the universe knows the best way to bring your desires to life, even if the path looks different than you expected. Letting go doesn't mean you stop caring about your desires. It means you release the need for control and trust that the universe is bringing what's best for you. When you let go, you allow room for miracles to happen. You free up your energy and allow the universe to work in its own time. As a chosen one, these steps can guide you in unlocking your fullest potential and manifesting your dreams. Keep in mind that you are worthy of the life you desire, and the universe is here to support you every step of the way. Stay true to your vision, trust the process, and keep your energy high. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more content that will help you harness the power of the universe. The life you desire is within reach, and you're just getting started.